What's up guys, and welcome to another video. Now in this video I'm going to show you how to optimize your Victus laptop to boost performance, reduce lag, and to get smoother gameplay without spending any penny. I'll show you simple tweaks to increase FPS, reduce stuttering, and unlock a better gaming performance in your Victus laptop. So let's get started. So first of all, you go to your settings, come to type settings. Now in settings, you search for display, scroll down, look for graphics, and in graphics go to advanced settings. Make sure the variable refresh rate is on, and optimize for window games is also on. And secondly, make sure you force your graphics card to prioritize the game that you are playing. So example, if you have any game, just add up. In my case, I usually play EAFC 26, so just go to the games location, program files, and EA games, EAFC 26. This is the exe file, so you add it and choose high performance. I'm using RX 6550M. So Windows will prioritize this game by giving it high performance from the RX 6550M. No, yes. So secondly, you come to power and battery. Now here in plug-in mode, make sure you select best performance, and in battery mode, of course you want to save battery when your AC power is not connected. So I definitely recommend balance mode or best efficiency mode. But then if you are gaming, make sure your AC power is always connected to the laptop for the best performance. Very good. And next one, come to your OMEN Gaming Hub. Now if you are gaming, make sure you choose quiet mode. This reduces the performance a bit. It helps. So if your laptop is usually overheating, if you don't have a cooling pad, make sure you use the quiet mode and increase your fan speed. This helps reduce the temperature and also give you a somewhat stable performance. But then if you have a cooling pad and you don't have any overheating issues, then I suggest you enable the default mode. And if you have a performance mode, in my case I don't have a performance mode, but then if you have a performance mode on your HP Victus laptop, choose performance mode and come to optimizer, look for booster and choose manual boost. Make sure you take disable automatic updates, and scroll down, memory boost, make sure it's ticked, and set game process to highest priority. Make sure that one is also ticked, and click on manual boost. This will automatically boost your system to prioritize the game that you are playing. So after the long game session, after you are done playing your game, you come back to the HP OMEN Gaming Hub, you restore it back to normal, and come back to your power and thermals, and also bring back the fan speed from max to auto. It shouldn't always be on max. It should always be on max whenever you want to game. So yeah. So I hope this video helps, and if you like this kind of videos, just like and subscribe and share these videos with your friends. Have a nice one. Peace.